Hello everyone, in this video we will see how did we traded the Nifty weekly hedging strategy for FY 20 and 21. Here is the community point distribution, and till date we have collected close to 400 plus points trading Nifty weekly hedging strategy. Coming to the weekly point distribution, we traded total 9 trades, out of which 2 are losing and 7 are winning trades. Coming to the monthly profits, on an average we are collecting close to 13 to 15,000 per month with a capital of 5 lakhs and achieved close to 9.22%. So let us see in detail how did we traded each and every trade with Nifty weekly hedging strategy. Nifty weekly hedging summary for 14th May 2020 expiry. For 14th May, we put up a strategy based on technicals, open interest and FI data where we predicted there is a moderate bullish momentum in the market. So based on this, we sold 9,300 call and we bought 9,300 call of 21st May. So let us see how the Nifty traded till 14th May. Here is a Nifty chart where you can see on 11th of May, it gapped up, consolidated and closed at 9,150. So it was overall flat for the entire week. Where we sold 9,300 call and we bought 9,300 call of 21st May. Here is our position summary where you can see as the Nifty closed flat, we collected close to 7,210 in this hedging strategy. So which was almost 1.44% of the capital engaged. So let us see how did we traded the Nifty for 21st May 2020 expiry. Again for 21st May, based on technicals, open interest and the FI data, we predicted there is a moderate bearish momentum in the market. So based on this, we sold 9,300 call and we bought 9,400 call. So let us see how did the Nifty traded till 21st of May. So here is the hourly chart where you can see the Nifty closed below 9,300 level where we sold and expired at 9,102. So here is a position summary where you can see we collected close to 5,325 in the selling strategy, which was almost 1.06% of the capital engaged. As the Nifty closed below 9,300 level, we collected profits for this week. So let us see how did we trade the Nifty for 28th May 2020 expiry. For 28th May, again with technical, open interest and the FI data, we predicted there can be a moderate bullish momentum in the market. So based on this, we sold 9,200 call and we bought 9,100 call. So let us see how did the Nifty traded till 28th of May. Here is the hourly chart where you can see we had a range that the Nifty should consolidate between 9,400 and 9,000 level. But on the expiry day, the Nifty broken the level of 9,400 and expired at 9,488. So that's the reason we booked the loss in this strategy, which was almost 11,655. So we lost almost 2.33% for 28th May. So let us see the Nifty weekly hedging strategy for 4th June 2020 expiry. So for 4th June expiry, the Nifty was trading around 9,568. So based on options chain, FI data, we predicted there can be a moderate bullish momentum in the market. We put up a strategy where Nifty should consolidate between 9,300 and 10,000 level. So let us see how the Nifty traded till 4th of June. Here is the hourly chart where you can see the Nifty gapped up on 1st of June and traded flat and closed at 10,030, which was within the level which we have traded. Here is our position summary where you can see we collected close to 15,570 in this selling strategy. So which was almost 3.11% of the capital engaged. As the Nifty consolidated around 10,000 level, we collected profits for this week. So as you saw, by trading Nifty weekly hedging strategies, we collected close to 400 plus points. And here is the weekly point distribution where we have lost around 50 to 60 points on some weeks, but most of the weeks we are collecting decent profits. And coming to the monthly profits, we are able to generate consistent returns with Nifty weekly hedging strategy, and we achieved 9.22% within 2 months. So if you're interested to learn how to follow institution data and earn consistent income with weekly options, register for our free course on tradepsychology.com. Thank you.